Yeah, we'll start. Morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening. So most of in our group, I'm seeing most of them they're trading AX, IBT, R, and AI 16. Very nice, sir. We should follow these tokens now every day. Correct. So I saw Sir HM. Can you see this flag right here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very nice, sir. I saw your message. You took so where took the trade right from where, sir? After the
AI 16.
AI 16. Okay. You entered in the 5 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Where did you take the trade, sir? Here?
No, I took it here.
Sorry. Yeah.
I'll draw again. So Asia low, liquidity sweep. Then from here there was a retest. So I saw that the price closed on top of the liquidity. Then I waited for a retest and I had a limit order here.
Very nice. Very nice. We'll see what's happening on 1 hour now. We'll check the daily.
I was very confident that it will go higher because the 1 hour liquidities haven't been swept yet.
We have so at this place, the market still we have the area of market should sweep this one on daily time frame. Okay. Let me check. Still 16%, sir. So what we have to do, we have to wait for the retracement on the 5 minutes. So what can be the next? So on AI 16, so they'll come and they'll sweep this one, okay? Market now. So let it come down, okay? From order block, maybe we do a thing. We don't don't try any short position. Let it come down, sir. So we have the liquidities here at this place. Then sweep this. Then we'll try one more long positions for daily targets. Okay, D1 targets, which is I showed you, right? We have the liquidity there.
Yeah.
So we'll try it. See now, for example, assume that this candle comes here. So maybe market can go down from this area, sir. So market should so for example, now at least the market should break this level. Even if the wicks come down, it will be valid. So when the candle will come here, right? So from this place, we can try short positions for a scalping. For example, can you see this? Good.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. So we can catch this kind of move. So better we'll avoid these short positions. We'll try long positions. Okay. So I'll just tell you the scenario. So maybe if the market comes here, even if we see the wick, so this area will be valid. Okay. So don't take any long positions. If you are in the long position, if you take any long position from here, for example, so target will be only this. So from here again they'll push down. They'll sweep all these liquidities. Then they'll make fresh buying, maybe from this area.
Do we have to wait for internal structure shift if it comes in this area, what you just marked in here?
For long position, sir?
Yes.
No, sir. Candlestick is enough. Just wait
Okay.
for the. So trade should be inside this area, sir. The trade should be accurate. We should see if you take the long position from here, then the internal is important. But when it comes near the zone, yeah, see, when it comes near the zone, immediately don't go, right? So what it Usually they do, when it comes down, they'll make lower highs, then once again, they'll go up.
Yeah.
Can this also possible? So recently I saw this on AI 16, not AI 16. Grass. So you can see this. So at this place, if I join along positions from here, it should break this level, sir. It didn't break. So once again, the market came down here. I'll just show. So market came down here, okay, but now it failed to break this level. Closed above this. Now this area will become our uh, support. So now this area is my support because we got the breakout. So from the breakout area, the market started moving up. Why the long positions was important here? You will see, I'll just show you the 15 minutes. So it was the liquidities here. And we have the breakout plot. But now how should I find the trade in this? I just go to the lower time frame. I'll wait to current day liquidity. So when the market started moving from this area, once again, if it is coming, fine. I'll wait for this liquidity, grabbed all the liquidities here. We got the hammer done. So if I take the trade from here, as soon as one candle will close, because the reason was here, you can see we got the liquidity sweep at these places. And if I want to take the trade, my target is, see, my target will be big. My target will be the recent high, which is this. We have here targets. You can see we have one, three. So I'll mark this as my target, the recent highs. But to reach there, it should create some pattern. So here we got the breakout. Before the breakout, you can see here we got the rejection at this place, sir. So once again it came. So what usually I expect when it take rejection, what do you think HM circle, where it can take the rejection? If the market started coming from this place, I'll just
Yeah.
one second. Yeah, now mark where is the zone, sir? Where you will expect
Where
from where it can
the
move.
price,
Yes.
I would expect it here. It could potentially take this liquidity sweep as well.
If it doesn't come, where now if the market goes till here, if it breaks, then where you will expect to retrace?
If it breaks the here.
Correct, sir. Correct. Very nice. If it breaks, I'll expect this. See, I am in this trade here, but I'll expect to continue this from these places, somewhere in this area, because we have the order blocks at this place. So maybe market can. So even when it reverse, for example, when it reverse, I'll expect maybe it can reverse from here. So I'll start seeing higher highs in the 5 minutes. So here it was different scenario. Market came down once again, as you said, this place. Finally, we got the breakout. So the same example, what we was talking here, like what I was talking, it done here, sir.
Yeah.
So it came,
Would
it
you
just
be
took the order block. So I was expecting that here.
yes?
Yes.
Would you be worried, let's say in this scenario, because this is exactly how I took the AI-60, but what if it takes this one? Would you be still worried, or does it depend on, like, let's say that it does like this, then you're still
Yes, it will
as
be valid.
before?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
So all the
So it's
time
about
when
the candle close.
yes, sir. All about the candle close. See, if here this is the strong buying. See here when it took the liquidity, this is the strong one, sir. Buying the show buy scenario, we can take the trade immediately. That is the only problem. Market should break this level for a continuation. So why I was showing this on what we was planning here on AI 16. So now if I take, see, I don't take any long positions now. Tell me, you guys are really interested to take these price long positions? No, sir.
No,
No way.
too
Just wait.
expensive.
Yes, sir. So we should wait for that scenario. So now, okay, if HM, you are waiting to take the long position, then you should be knowing that what scenario it should be to come here. So now it's how you should think, okay, the market should go this order block, or maybe this neckline, it can maybe come. If it done, then you will be getting confident. Yes, you will see that when it goes here, this order block, right? This order block or this neckline, you can see from this place, they'll push down. From here, we'll start looking the long positions. Maybe today US session, then they'll make a new high. You
But if it closes below,
yes,
yeah, then I would be worried about reverse of trend, right?
yes, I'll just
Or
go to
not?
the 15 minutes, sir. Then 15 minutes, you can see that is the
Uh,
same areas.
yeah,
So now I'll wait again. See, we can try the short positions. Once it breaks this level, we'll wait for retracement. Then we'll join the sell side.
mm,
For intraday, we can catch the both sides, sir. Like we can try long, short, both. On that day, particular on that session, we'll search the trade, like whether is it a bull or bear. According to that, we'll find the trade setup.
yeah, that looks like a very strong area in the 15 minutes.
Yes,
What you marked,
this
those
one.
two order blocks,
Yes.
and
Yeah.
yeah,
Now too many they took the trade. Now easily they'll grab, sir. They don't give that. If he's intelligent, he'll close the trade here. See, now who are long from this area, they don't care, sir. Like who all took the long positions here, they'll be worried now.
yeah, that's true.
Yeah. So just wait, grab this one. So when it start moving, people will start taking the long positions from this area. Now they'll grab us. Let's be
Nice.
all this one. Yes. Same like what I showed on the board now. Same they'll show. So people will start taking the long position as soon as when they see, oh, we got liquidity sweep here, market is going up. But they don't see we have order block here and the market created a break. Sorry, the market created one high and we got the breakout. They think they liquidity sweep, but the current, but reality is this. So on the gold, if you're planning to take trade on the gold, just wait for the healthy retracement, sir. Now it reached very good targets, weekly targets. So now the market can be reversed from here. Then from this place, they come down. From this area, should try for long positions. So how it works. So this you can see this scan, right?
Yeah,
So this is our order blocks. So again, this will work. Okay. So welcome. This area they'll take resistance, then push hard here. From this area, we should start trying the long positions. Here. That is the same 5 minutes. If this candle becomes a bullish signal, even that is also danger. Directly, if they make a bullish signal, don't take any long positions. Now, for a long market should come for retracement. Then we should try our long positions from here. As soon as market will come there, we'll jump into the 5 minutes. We'll find this setup. We'll just wait for liquidity sweep or internal structure done. We can try the trade in that way. Uh, we'll find arc also. What we do arc today. So let it come down this, okay? We'll find the reversal also. Let's wait for, we don't take any trade from here. AI 16. Yeah, this liquidity. We'll find the long positions in this. We have daily liquidity. Let it sweep that. Once it's when it grabs this liquidity, so we have one more strong at this place. So this is the first target. Second target is here, sir. So let's wait for retracement. So let it come to this way, sir. Okay. From here, we'll try this today during US session. And tomorrow we have CPI, guys. Okay. Be careful. I don't know about the crypto market, but yeah, who trade in the gold, stay away tomorrow during US session, sir. So here we have the liquidities as I said on the AI 16, okay, on the 5 minutes. So let's break this level. So good retracement. Then from here, can try the long positions. The target will be, we'll see. So when it activate, I'll show that like how we should hold this trade. Or else directly, if it goes here, then we cannot do anything. Correct. All depend upon the volume. If the market we get the ultra high volume candles by during US session, maybe market can go directly. But yeah, we cannot deny that, right? See, even this is also possible, guys. See, not during the session, what I'll just give me a second. This will be 15 minutes. It's also 15 minutes. So on the 5 minutes, then this is also possible. All right, let me see where is nearby daily CPR. We have the narrow CPR today. Let's wait for the retracement. Okay, don't take any long positions from these areas because already market entered inside the zone. Now it can be retracement. Just wait, let it come this place. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, you have any particular token, let me know, guys. And very nice, everyone. They are behind AI6 in ARC, and I'll be posting. Okay, 2 days, yesterday and yeah, Saturday, Sundays, I was busy. I'll be posting ARC and AI16. Okay, and what do you do, guys? Tomorrow, I mean, next day, Tuesday. Today, closing is very important. Okay, AI16, because we have big targets. So assume that if the market really comes, if there's played and close somewhere here, and if you see any daily CPR at this place, you try long positions tomorrow. You miss that, you miss trade today. But yeah, today will come to know during US session, I'll be with you, right? We'll see how where the market can close. We'll analyze, we'll try the trade for tomorrow. Okay. And today also, if it comes here, just wait. They show you the beautiful candles from here. Don't take any long positions. They don't take any long positions from here. So they'll just then manipulate. Don't take any trades. Just wait.
Do you mind having a little look at Farcoin from Odd? I was just
Yeah.
it's a similar setup, but I think uh Farcoin's second demand zone is a little bit closer. So I was looking at
One second. I'll just check what's happening here. Daily, page one. We have the liquidities at this place, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So this is completely buying area, sir. What you do, just wait to sweep all the this, okay? On the 1 hour, let me see in the 5 minutes. Yeah,
Yeah, I was looking at like liquidity there, liquidity there, and
yes,
there, and I was
yes.
thinking I marked it out like this could be like a sort of like a second demand zone.
Hmm.
Clear all this out, come up, and maybe go again just to
No,
have like have a little scout. But you think it's too risky?
yes, it can be risky. So you can scalp, sir. See, if you're taking the trade here, you cannot expect your target here. No, sir. Your target is only this.
The neckline, okay,
Yes, sir. Because
yeah,
you just see how it plays now. Assume that if the market comes here, so they'll take maybe this also, sir. Here, then they'll push. They want these liquidities, not here.
okay,
Yeah, they see market how you should see. So we have the liquidities at this place, all right. So we
hmm
have fresh one here also. So what they do, they are trying at these places to come down. But here, people are taking the long positions. They'll come very fast. They'll sweep, then they'll go upside. Before that, what they'll do is like what you said, they'll come, they'll sweep, they'll start moving up from this place. They'll push down. Then
got
the
you.
actually move will start. Here is the liquidity you can see here.
Yeah, I was just looking because like there's quite a bit of confluence. It's like it's touching the daily CPR, it's on the 200s, EMA, etc., etc. So it was looking quite nice, but I understand what you're saying. Makes sense.
Taking resistance for a support from 200 EMA. But yeah, this is what I can see, sir. So they want
Yeah.
this liquidity, sir. That is the reason they are struggling here. They'll push hard. Everyone, they'll when they take long positions, then they'll drop. They'll drop very quick, sir. Usually, like what you saw on the board, they drop in this way. Let's see this candle frame. Okay. The volatility is very less, but yeah, they'll go very fast outside. So let's see. I'll keep alert. Let's see. But, if you want to scalp, yeah, you can try, but they're not now suggestible. So now people will get trapped. So people already they are taking trades here. So
Yeah, see that.
it has to. Yeah, yeah, the 15 minutes also. Just wait, let them come down. We can find the trade here.
What price is that? 1.2697.
We have super narrow today, sir.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. That's what I was saying. You've got the CPR and you've got the 200, right? Exactly where it is at the moment. But
You do
um,
you can do one more thing, sir. Where is the Asia low?
it is here where I marked that second zone. So I was waiting for it to sweep here and
Ah,
maybe take it up. But
try that first. Yes, you first try that, sir. You do one thing. You mark you like what you said. You just try that because I didn't see. We have the narrow. You know, especially when we see super narrow, it will be one side market. It sweep this. You
okay,
first try. If it comes down, then yes, sir. And this is the previous day low. We have
correct.
the second
Yeah.
trade. Yes, I'll also find and I'll give this, sir.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at because I thought the CPR looked quite good as well as the 200. So let's see if it sweeps.
Yes, we'll find the trade here. On the 1 hour, let me check, sir. 1 hour, we have the zone here, right? If it comes down, then we'll see. But on the 5 minutes, it's clear. We'll find that.
Okay, mate. Thank you.
No, no problems.
Pramod,
Yes, sir.
can you look at ARC, please?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking at it 5 minutes, but I have difficulty with that liquidity things. Can you point them out or?
Yeah.
Ouch.
Yeah, tell me, sir, like where you mark the liquidity, sir?
Now I have marked. Let me draw it
1 second.
here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Sorry. Yeah, mark it now. Yes.
yeah, I marked something here. I think somewhere is here. So
Yeah,
I
please.
don't know.
No. Here is the market is like just moving, sir. We can't find the liquidities. When you see these kind of a pattern, just go to the higher time frame. We need see this kind of wicks. We need, for example, we have wicks at these places right here.
Okay.
So we got very good move here. Yeah, after this we got very good move. So you can mark in this way.
Okay.
But on 1 hour arc, I can see here. This is the same place where the breakouts are.
Yeah, I don't understand the liquidity concept very well.
No, that is liquidity. We have to see. We have to think like where the market. See, we have to think like where the trader will take the long positions. For example, if the market is going up, okay, we have the support here. So market will go up from this place. So we'll come to know the market unmitigated. We have one FEG or support. So now this will become a liquidity at this place. All right, here. So now it will be valid until the market is roaming nearby. So personally me, I'll be waiting for long positions here, but unfortunately market started moving from this place. But after 3-4 hours, market was struggling. So I come to know that, okay, if the market comes here, I'll find the long position. So I'll try the long positions from here. So what I missed the trade, that was the liquidity. Already people took the entry, sir. So this will be my entry here. Because
Okay.
this support was unmitigated. So recently, I just show recently,
It looks like a stop hunt.
yes, stop one. I'll just show 1 second. Yes. Now, so now when we got the breakout, so we have order block at this place. This is the same exactly pattern, I think. So, yeah, this was the AI 16. Okay, this is the area. I'll just show. So here, yeah, this place, 1 second. I have remembered now this one, not here. The same pattern I'll show you, sir.
Yeah, for
Yes.
my eyes, everything is ranging.
No. Here I have. So this place you can see, sir. We had a reverse head and shoulder, correct?
Yeah.
So you can see, you can check here. We had a reverse head and shoulder pattern at this place. So now when it reaches somewhere high, I'll try to take a long position. So I took the long positions. My target what this. So immediately market drop. I got my stop loss. So what I do, I'll wait for the correction or order block. So this is the same place where the market got the breakout. So this was the breaker block. If I miss this trade, next day, how I'll plan, I'll just show you. So when the market started moving up, now you can see these order blocks, right? So this will be valid when I get any breakout of this. Until it will be not valid. So it should break this level, then this will be valid for me. So here we got the breakout at this place. So now I got the breakout. Now this will be valid for me to take the long position. So now just understand the market makers, the traders, not market maker, traders, intraday traders, they was pushing here and they are trying to take the long positions. Can you see this?
Yes, yes.
So now this will become a liquidity zone here. But I am very clear. I am waiting to take the long positions here. But the market is ranging nearby this resistance. Sorry, support. I'll be waiting
Yeah, but
until it don't come that place because you can see the market is ranging at the same place. Again, the market started building the liquidity. Wherever you see the market is moving up, okay, the traders are entering at these places. Finally, before the rocket launch, they'll come down, then they'll go up, sir.
yes, I understand. So between support and resistance, that how do you say ranging?
Yes,
That is the liquidity.
correct. If I see now I have clear that I should try the long position from this order block. This will valid only when this will break. After breaking, so people are pushing the trade from this area, sir. But the market didn't break any high, right? Like I cannot say that, yeah, market, now if the market is somewhere here, then I don't wait for any long positions. It's already on this guy. What should I try here? The market is ranging in front of this support.
So for the
Yeah, but-
liquidity, you have to first define the support and resistance.
Then you will come
Like
to know where the market is ranging. Correct. If this is the support, okay, if this is the support, if the market is ranging near the support, then that is clear indication it's building the liquidity. Once take this one, then yes. Yeah.
yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Thank
but
you.
before we move on,
No problem.
can you show again, just go underneath what you were sort of, there. So, we finally have, the breakout of this high in here, yeah?
Mm.
If we have a nice wave, will we expect the price to come down to this area? And then look for a long? Would that be valid?
Yes, that will be
Just because
valid. Yeah, that market went too high now. I cannot expect this, sir. I'll just wait for the breaker block, then maybe I'll try from here.
All right, yeah.
Yes, because
It's
in
just
this,
because that little wave when it had the breakout, it was very small, yeah?
yes, correct. The
that's
breakout
not-
is very
yeah.
small. Yeah, that is not a breakout, sir.
Great, okay.
Yeah, it was ranging in front of the, you can see that range, it is ranging very near to the my area where I was looking the long positions. Exactly tapped that level and it started moving. So this, what like people are taking this scalping. Just now, the Sam sir, he was talking about the fat coin, right? This, the same thing here is happening. Now we have that clearly. We have the breakout area, all the things here. The market is ranging near the support. Let it come to this place. Then we'll try the long positions. That's it. Yeah. And today
Thank
we
you.
have no problem. So today we have super narrow. The market maybe he entered already, Sam sir. If you
No,
entered,
I was wait.
no,
I was waiting, mate. I'm waiting.
today we have narrow, sir. Boom.
Oh,
Okay,
look, you see that red candle just before you move. If you zoom in slightly, where that rejection candle. See this one here, obviously here. I was thinking, okay, the market makers would show this, like I say, this beautiful candle, but it didn't sweep any of this, so
Yes.
that's why I thought maybe it'll come back down. But we'll see. Like, it might get a rejection off this
Yes,
breaker block.
you can get rejection. Yes, this area.
Yeah.
Then we take the trade. Don't take anything, sir. Just wait. We'll get it.
Yeah. I'm
Yes.
waiting.
What will be the target if this runs according to this? This is 18%, 12%.
Let's see.
Let's
Just
see,
try.
sir. Yes, sir. Let's try. I'll also check this. On 1 hour, we got inverse hammer. Even the bread USDT also got beautiful rejection. Now, 1 second. Yeah, so now we can see here the market is rejecting from this place. Maybe it can come this my trade setup. I'll find my setup from this area, sir. My target is 3 center. If this level breaks, then I'll change my direction. I'll take the short positions till here. If this level breaks, okay, if this level breaks where I was trying the long positions, if this level also break, then I'll wait for retest. So retracement, I'll find order block for the sell side. Then I'll join the short positions. So from here I'll take the trades. But now we can try only long. So we'll sweep this. When it comes here, go to the 5 minutes or 15 minutes, try the candlestick pattern. You can try the long. Yes, sir. Nice, sir. I saw PNL. Very nice. Cryptonimo, very nice. Mr. B.
Can we
Now
look
you-
at AI? Can we look at AIXBT?
XIBT. Security done. Target done, sir. Done. Target done.
So that will reverse now.
No, no. No. Don't take any reversal. If you want to try the short positions, just wait. We have this pattern. Let's break any level, sir. Then you can try this. Now don't take, sir. Just see, we are getting the weakness, okay? Weakness of the market. Just wait. We need one breakout. So this will be risky breakout, healthy retracement. Wait for retracement once again from this area. Okay, take the short. Don't take immediately, sir. Let's create some pattern. So we can just I'll draw it. Okay. So now yeah, we got the good volume. This candle. Okay, so reason okay. So now it see we have the a parallel channel, okay, sir.
Mhm.
If this level breaks, then this will be you can say see risky. But the safe one will be this low. If this low breaks, don't take any long position. Stop taking now. For now, wait for the retracement. Okay. From this area, we have to check where will be the order block according to that when it breaks. From that order block, you can try for a scalp trade, so sell side. Yes. So even we can do this. If this level breaks, if it start moving, the stop loss will be just about this. If you see any candle, you can enter. So these are all liquidities. So according to that, only let me check the targets. This 1 second. Yeah. Yes, sir, here. So if you even take the trade here also, maybe market, you can cash till here. That's it.
Can we take a long from there then?
No, sir. After that, we have to see how it reacts from here. The daily closing also important, right?
Yeah.
We have to see after coming here how the candles will see. Here we have to see once when it comes here. Volume once again. We have to check the volume. If the volume is if the low volume, then we can wait for the breakout with the ultra high volume enter, then can catch this. Yes.
Ramon, when you have a chance, could you have a look at Muden?
I think already went 800%, sir.
I know. I'm waiting for a short. There's one more liquidity to go.
Sir,
So
this
I'm
was the
waiting for that.
neckline. Yeah, I saw this. So we had too many necklines is here, right? So what I was expecting, this place, when it comes here, we can try here. We got evening sharp, we got trap, stop loss. If would have should have taken this. That is the reason I didn't push. Before I was like, I thought let's find one setup here. But I saw I didn't get something. But what you can do, the market, it's still the target didn't achieve, sir, here. Yeah. So wait for the retracement. We should find the long, sir. See, when it can go till here, not an issue. It can sweep this one.
Come on.
Yeah, sir.
Is this kind of a hidden breaker block
Yeah, we can
or
say that.
neckline?
Yes. No,
Okay.
no, not order block. Breaker
Yeah,
block.
breaker.
Yes, yes. That is the problem, right, sir? When you see multiple, you don't understand which we have to take. But I was taking this, the reason only the where the market went. I said, oh, this will be the nice. When we got the
Yeah,
breakout, then yeah, it can be this one also.
Yeah, no, maybe too much liquidity built in here.
Ups on this side, correct. So now
Yeah.
on the 15 minutes, we can see clearly this is the where the market was rejecting too many. Correct, sir. This was the actually breaker block on the 15-minute. I think your answer is your answer.
Yes, mate.
Where are you, sir?
I'm here, mate.
Did you take any
I'm-
trade, sir?
I'm sitting in my car, mate.
Okay.
Yeah, I gave that AI 16 the bull flag, mate. I took it from the bottom.
Very nice, sir. The same.
Yeah. Thanks, Johan, for the call.
Oh,
That's right.
yeah. You gave that. Yes, sir. I saw that. HM, sir, you replied for one message, right? Like tagging him. Yes, I understood. You also took the trade. Yeah, sorry. You gave that trade.
Yeah, I just saw it. I saw it. I opened it up and I saw this is a beautiful bull flag. And yeah, saw the liquidity. Let's go. But there was also just before that actually was it gave us two trigger boxes. The first one was very quickly mitigated, and then the second one was a beautiful trigger box. So I took a one long from there, and I took profit, and it came back, and then it took the liquidity from the bottom, and then it went all the way to the top. I took that one as well. Yeah.
Yeah, there was that kind of beautiful liquidity buildup actually happening, where it, as Johan said, like in this area, where you see that it builds liquidity in here,
Yes.
takes it, but then there's fresh liquidity again because it's trying to target this one and probably some older one.
Finally, it started moving. Yes. But the way, correct. So they was targeting actually this one, and before that they was building the liquidity, sir. So and again they trap. Oh, okay. I saw this one, sir. I remember now. So I didn't see this. Okay, I just checked this one. Now I remember. So when I saw this, a dragonfly candle, right? When I saw this, like outside, oh, we got the good candle here. So when I saw this, market was somewhere here. I said, okay, we got the, but later that also it sweep this liquidity. I understand. Yes. See now when we get this kind of a trade setup, right, sir? How you will come to know now the market can be a bullish.
Thin brick structure.
Okay, that
Here.
sorry, draw, sir.
No, in here because it's close.
Yeah.
On top of that.
No,
And it never break this.
This here didn't break this structure.
Correct.
So
Before that, how you will come to know now the market can be a reverse from here? So what you have to do? See, so when the market, so assume that if I'm taking the trade somewhere according to the support, so market we got the breakout fine every time it was breaking. So, but in this case, market we got the breakout downside. Done. So when we don't have any wave when it started from here. So now straightly the market should close above this, but it didn't do that. Directly once again it came for the liquidity sweep. Now here you can see, sir, now it started lower highs. Now I see now this is not so much important because now it's clearly direction. You can see, okay, we are getting, so what you have to do, just use one trend line. That is like not trend line, parallel channel. And that the market will be the parallel channel. So for example, you know how we'll get traps, sir? Assume that. So now I'll take this parallel channel, okay, on the 5 minutes. So what market will be moving in this direction. Okay. So you know where we'll get trapped. So when the market will break any level, market will take this support, then it will continue. Now where was the liquidity here? Yes, sir. But remember, this was the not liquidity. Now you will understand. Now, when the market dropped here, it didn't create a high, just it came. Now tell me where is the liquidity, sir?
Oh.
Yes. What we are seeing just higher highs, but we are missing this one, sir. Like Mr. B just now we said, right? We didn't break the recent high. Correct, sir. It didn't break the recent high, but you should understand, okay, if the market is not breaking any recent high, if it's coming down, then clearly they are coming to sweep this liquidity. So where is my support? Here, sir. So now how we'll get trapped? We got the breakout of the trend line. People think the market will go down. So market came, sweep this one, then they pushed up. Until the candle will not close below this support, we cannot take the short positions and we cannot say this is the breakout. Always we used to tell, do you remember, just wait for this breakout retracement, then only we can try the short position. The actually breakout is this. We are missing the liquidity here. Here it didn't break. So these, you cannot say these are the liquidities. That is just lower highs. The market built the liquidity here because the market didn't close the recent high. When when this breaks, now this support will become very strong. This is the same thing here, what you can see, sir. So where you catch the trade, it was just starting this journey to create a lower highs. Before that, they created. So market was clearly direction, it was moving up. But when they came, it didn't move up, sir. So now what we think, okay, the liquidity sweep, the market will go up. But the confirmation is to close candle above this. Once again they came. What people start doing, they start taking the short position because they'll mark some order block here, they'll finding the, but you understood now, yes, this is the support where the market just now they entered, who all thought this was the liquidity and this was the liquidity. Once again, the market is coming to sweep recent liquidity. If any candle close below this, then this setup fail. Confirmation, how you will get confirmation? Okay, the market is now creating lower highs. So if any candle close below this low, done, sir. Once again, the market will start moving down. For example, here the market started going up, correct? They came down. Once again, they went up. They all the time they are making a new high internally. Both, if they created without making a new high, for example, they creating all the high. Okay, if this fails to create high, clearly they'll sweep this liquidity. This time, if they don't make a new high, so people are pushing, they are taking the long positions from this area. They'll sweep all the liquidities, then they'll go. You should be ready there. Now, if you use trend line, you will see the same pattern. I know it will be confusion, but don't worry. Very first time we are speaking about this, but very soon you will come to know how it works in the market. Shooting
Ramon,
star.
I took a few scalps on that. If you go back to AI 16 where we started, yeah, down there. If you zoom that part for me, mate. And if you turn the volume on as well. So you see I marked this as a trigger line, yes?
Yeah.
With that candle.
Mhm.
So when we came back, we went outside the trigger box. And I remember you said when it come back into the box, we can take it from there. Risky, but that can be our first entry. So I took it. As soon as this candle closed, I took it. My stop loss was below there. And my target was here, there. That was my target.
Okay.
So I took that and came there. But then I saw this evening star, right?
Mm.
And it's not retested. So immediately the market dropped. So when the market came back up here, I drew this box and I took the short scalp from there.
Very nice.
I took the short scalp to here, and then I saw this was like the Sir HM said as well. That was Asia low. So as soon as this candle, this red one closed, it went down and it closed. Immediately I entered long from there, and my stop loss was there, and still I'm holding.
Very nice, sir.
So that was 3 trades on Sunday.
Wow. Very nice, sir. See the targets. Sir, hold it, sir. Okay, hold it, sir. Okay. You book some profit and rest you hold, sir. Okay.
Yeah, I've taken profits off, and I'm hoping to re-enter what you said. If we can come back here and we get some pattern, I will enter back again there.
Yes. Then your first target will be the recent high, sir. And where is the CPR? Today we have narrow CPR, sir.
Mhm.
Yes. We can do that. And what about the flat points, sir? You got shooting star here. Let me check. 15 minutes.
Promote, keep an eye on Pengu as well. It's on a daily narrow
Which one, sir?
Weekly narrow. Pengu.
Yeah. Correct, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have the narrow in this, right? Okay.
Yeah. And on the daily as well. And the weekly.
Yes, I saw this today. So here we have the liquidity, sir. Okay. I was seeing in my like downside of my brother desktop, sir. So it's creating the liquidity at this place. And see, if I mark this as a liquidity, now it's already grabbed this one. So already grabbed the way the market went up. But here the market still didn't made any high, sir, after taking this. We have still chance. If the candles come down, okay. So we have the breakout and the order block at this place. From here, we can try the long positions. Why long, sir? First thing, the market is bullish. So makes sense. We should try along on the
Yeah, I've seen if on the 5 minute as well, if they come back and test the Asia low.
we have here Asia low.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Can try the trade. Let's wait for this one. So candles are not closing above any, like it's not breaking a high. Let's wait this. Can find the trade here. Yes, sir. This what see already it's mitigated this for means it rejecting from this area. Okay, but the market is ranging means the market here the building the liquidity. So now I should find it rate. So what we can prove this as the breaker block. And here we have the order. It's both nearby. So just wait to on the today Asia on the sorry US on the 5 minutes. We can try our first trade from here. If this level break with the low volume, then the market maybe can go here.
Yeah.
From here, this is the 1 hour time frame. We can find it right here, sir. But yeah, today it can be a volatile day. We have narrow, and the one more thing we have descending. Let's see how it works. If the market break the any high, it don't work descending, ascending, and all. Yeah, sir. Just wait to come this place. We'll find it. Yes. Okay, sir. 1 second, Ben, sir. Just check. The rocket is very near to his target, sir, on the daily time frame. Okay, before that, it can take rejection from here. Because we cannot consider this is the daily time frame, right? It achieved his first target according to the daily. Now we should wait for the retracement. So first. So this is the area where the market may go down, sir. If it fails, because healthy retracement is required after daily. Okay, after daily or the daily, if the any liquidity sweep immediately, we cannot take any trade, sir. This is the risky one. Just wait to pull back. So on the 1 hour, it's very far. So let me check on the 15 minutes. So on the 15 minutes, let's come this area, sir. We have the liquidity here. Let it come at this place. So from here, we can try the trade, sir. But currently, don't take any trade, sir. This is very risky now to take. Because the way drop, market can take the trades rejection from this area now. Just wait to come, sir. When it comes here, we'll see how it works. Done. Done, sir. We'll meet US session today, okay? I'll be posting AI 16 app this week. We'll completely find a setup in that. And gold trader, sir, 300 pips gap down today.
Yeah, I already took a stop loss. I was trying to buy, but I re-enter at 3,222.
What we should find the only. I was waiting here, sir. I didn't reach there. See, I'll just show you. Oh, one second. So this area is very important, sir. Okay, here on this area. So market can come till here.
Yeah, I marked this one too. That's why I already put a break even on my position because I know it can still go down until this level. But the market opened like crazy at the London session because all the indices they went up a lot, and at the same time
Within
the
one
gold
candle,
just dropped.
yes, within one candle we got the drop. I saw. You just see. I have the alert also. What I was expecting, let it come here. We'll find the short position during UK session. But immediately
Yeah.
without coming here, just they drop it, sir. And we have big gap down, sir, today.
Do you think this gap might be filled in
Yes,
the
might
maybe
be.
coming days?
Yes, it can fill, sir. I was expecting today it will fail, sir. The way
Okay.
market was volatile, at least I was trying my short from here according to the 1 hour, but I didn't even like what you said. Just with one candle, it drops, sir.
Yeah. But this again, it's not SMC. It's just because news, because of
Yes, because of
the
news.
agreement between China and
Yes.
and in the USA. That's just because of that.
Yes. And during US session, I'll check, sir, whether if I get any trade in both here and here. Two trade, I'll try, sir. If I take two stop loss, then I'll done for the day. Tomorrow I'll try. But
You
yeah,
mean you will try to find a short
short,
from
yes.
these levels? Yeah. Okay.
Yes. And tomorrow CPI and we have super narrow CPR, sir.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
this week it will be more volatile, okay, because of the events.
Yeah.
So be careful. But yeah, I think the sell side will be more safer than long. But the problem is we should consider from here, right? Within one day, we got very good drops, sir, from this place. For example, if I take from here to here, 1,000 pips done.
Yeah, that's huge.
So this is 1,000 pips done, sir. I don't know what should I do now. Like I was waiting here. If it was coming, I was taking the trade. Let's see, sir, how it works. And sir, you see now, always I used to tell hold 20%, 30%, and just see. Correct. So when the market started coming down here, like from this place, 1,500 pips, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I'm still holding in my account.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
small trade.
also I
Yeah.
have one very small position, just minimum lot from this area that I'm just keeping to hedge myself, in case it really goes down or it goes up. I just keep it for the moment.
Yes, sir. I have two accounts. I'm in one account. I just holding with the break even now. Now, no
Yeah,
problem, sir.
me
Let
too.
it go. Yeah. But here, I'll try along, sir. When it comes this place, I'll see. If I find a good trade, then again, once again, I'll start. If this level breaks, then Market can go very deep
Yeah.
retracement, sir.
Yeah. And also, I don't know about on your broker, but currently, it's easier to hold a sell position for swings because on my broker, the swap is positive. So I'm actually getting paid for keeping
Yeah,
the sell position. But if I keep a buy, it's very expensive.
No. Which broker you're using, sir?
I'm using Vantage Market.
I know, sir. My broker also, if I take zero spread, okay, if I take zero spread, every day they'll charge me if you are holding in profit or loss. Every day they'll charge
Oh,
me.
really?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, but even if you're on sell position,
Both they'll charge, but I didn't took a spread. I took just normal, sir.
okay. I
I'll
see.
pay, yeah, I'll
Yeah,
pay the
it's a
spread
different type
charges.
of account, yeah.
Yes, we have three types of account, like zero spread, raw spread, normal. I mean standard. I took standard one because if I
Okay.
hold 1 month, then they'll take more charges from me, right?
Okay.
So I just took the standard one.
Okay. Yeah, I forgot the one I have, but it's a type of account that at least I can do swing trading, because I'm doing more swing trading than scalping on intraday on this account. So at least I can keep some positions several days or weeks, and
Yeah.
it's not too expensive.
Yeah, then you should try standard account, sir. You should not go for any spread account. If you take the spread account, definitely they'll charge every single day for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's only good if you just do intraday, right? You just
Yes.
do like scalps or intraday, then you can have this kind of spread account.
Yes, sir. Correct.
But when I enter a trade, I never really know like what I will do with it because sometimes, like you said, it's good, to keep some position. Let's say you enter 2 or 3 positions, like even on gold. So sometimes I enter 2 or 3 positions, but
Mhm.
always with a minimum lot. But I will always try to keep one for swing trading if I know that I enter in a very good area, like a very good point of interest. So I try to keep it.
Yes. Even I also, sir. Whenever I see, I think, okay, this will be good retracement on based on 1 hour. If I feel that, yeah, I should try I should hold here. I have two
Yeah.
different accounts. One account I'll be holding, and yes, I don't keep any break even. I'll be waiting for the stop loss, okay? And I don't use break even until I don't see any good breakout on 1 hour. When what I was waiting here to break this level today. But
Okay.
when I woke up, when I saw this, I said, okay, this is not a breakout. Directly, the market opened the candles below this. I said, no problem. Then it's okay. Let's wait to come this place. Then I join this trade. Before, I didn't even come that place. Directly withdraw.
Yeah. Yeah, this morning was crazy. I was sitting in front of computer as the market open, and yeah, I had one position on the Dow Jones as well, a sell position, and it hit my stop loss with a gap, so I actually lost more money than I should have.
No, you should not in the forex, right? Especially in the forex, you should not hold in the
During the
sell side.
weekends.
Yeah,
Yeah,
weekends.
yeah.
Because most of the time, whatever you see the news or any activities, it will be during weekends, sir.
Yeah.
So morning always every week morning will be get surprising, cap up, cap down, but not every time, especially 2025. The way I'm seeing in the weekends, something
Yeah,
will be
it's just since Trump is president, we have this issue of the gaps on Monday. Before with Joe Biden, the market was very normal. No big gaps after the weekend. But yeah, these days it's very challenging.
Yes.
Guys, I just wanted to mention something about Pengu. I know Paul's looking at Pengu, but just be careful because on Friday, one of the guys from our previous company, he's still there, he's one of the moderators. He his stop loss wasn't hit. There was a massive candle on Friday, about 20% up and 20% down, and went right through his stop loss.
Mhm.
And he got liquidated and he lost $15,000. So you'll see, I think it's that
Who's
1
that?
hour candle on Friday.
Who's that, Derek?
It didn't, his stop loss didn't get triggered. And he
No,
made
no,
it
no.
publicly
Who was
known that he
was
lost
it?
$15,000.
That
Who was
wasn't
They
it?
say
a trade that uses a 7% stop loss, was it?
I don't know I don't know what his stop loss is, but he normally trades on the 4 hour, the shorts on the 4 hour. And yeah, he lost a massive amount. So it's just a little bit risky with that coin, I think, at the moment. We all know him fairly well.
Yeah, sir. I know
His
when you
name?
said 4 hours, I come to know, sir. Who is that guy?
Levica.
Yes. I was knowing like when you said, sir, the way,
Amazing news.
yeah, 4 hours, the way we see the market on the 4 hours, in 4 hours, market will change in the crypto.
But he apparently made the money back in the next two trades that he took as well. He basically made the following two trades, he made $12,000 back.
The 4 hours.
Not on Pengu or something else.
Mm.
Sounds like gambling to me.
When you said 4 hours, I was pretty sure that the name you took, sir. I was knowing the same guy. Because always he used to tell me, can you check this 4 hours on the BTC of the 4 hours here? I'm looking short. And I'll tell you the mindset of
He
every
only
trader.
takes shorts.
Yeah. And I'll tell you, I know, sir, every trader of the mindset, he thinks the market is now done. Now we'll try the short positions. You don't see that. Why? See, what is the problem? Every trader, when you see these kind of move, right? Okay, done, man. We should try the short positions now. The market is reached the good levels. So why they don't think we should join somehow in this long positions when it comes down? So what they think when you say that the market is coming down, then why should not try the short position? I say we don't know if it's coming here, then we'll try the long positions. If it's moving, then we cannot take the trades on the higher time frames. Correct, sir? So don't be that trader, sir, for everyone. So if the market is going up in this way, don't try to take the short. Try to join the long positions.
And that's why we're here, Pramod, and not there.
Correct, sir.
Thanks, Pramod.
Yeah, no problem, sir. Thank you so much. We'll meet
Thank you.
US session.
Yes,
Thanks, mate.
thank you, Pramod.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much
Thanks,
again.
Yeah, no
Thank you,
problem.
Pramod.
Where's your car?
Thank you.
Where's your car, Pramod?
It's in compound, sir. I'm going to
You
buy
need a
like,
picture.
yeah, I'll send it, sir.
Have you bought a
Yeah,
Ferrari?
we need to see pictures.
I'll show. Not Ferrari, sir.
Mahindra.
I'll just stop 1 second. And sweep and
Thanks, Pramod. See you later, mate.
bye, sir. No, sir. Yeah.